Let's talk about the different client issues we can run into in our wireless LAN environment. Now, one of the things we can run into is where clients are excluded or a client exclusion is enabled or disabled. We can find this under wireless LANs and advanced. So let's go out into my environment and take a look at this. This is not the only issue we can run to here, but our wireless LAN configuration can cause issues with connectivity. We have to be aware of that. We have to be able to troubleshoot that when we see it in our real world environment. So where was this wireless LAN? Ooh, looks like I'm timed out. I'm going to log back in. Very important feature, the timeout. So wireless LANs, we're going to look at advanced. Actually, let's choose our wireless LAN first. Then we'll look at advanced, our advanced tab. And then if we scroll down, client exclusion. So we can enable. This allows us to exclude certain clients. Let's look at the footnote here, 3. When client exclusion is enabled, a timeout value of 0 means infinity. So we will never require administrative override to reset excluded clients, all right? So this is that client exclude. This can cause an issue in our environment. Where did it go? I lost it. Slow it down. Let's scroll again. Advanced. There it is, the client exclusion enabled or disabled. But that's not the only thing we have that can cause issue in our wireless LAN controller configuration. We also have the ability for security. And then if we take a look down here to our policies, we can actually have policies that can cause issues with our wireless LAN controller. Any policies we have in order, access control lists, how our access control lists are laid out. We could have access control lists actually blocking. We have layer 2 access control lists that could also cause issues. So we have to know where to look for our different problems that can arise in our wireless LAN controller. Again, if we're having trouble with a wireless LAN controller configuration, let me jump back to a slide that'll really help us out. Right, let's see if I can pick this right out of the blue. Yes, right here, our wireless LAN controller configuration analyzer, a downloadable application for a laptop or something else that connects to our wireless LAN controller, imports the configuration file, and goes over their different configurations to see if there may be an issue. And then again, help us out with the different configurations and best practices for that wireless LAN.